done for. And we live in a beautiful world. Yeah, we do, yeah, we do. We live in a beautiful world. Sinking like stones, all that we fall. Places we've grown, all of us have done before. We live in a world. Yeah, we do, yeah, we do. We live in a beautiful
You alright?
Yeah. Just don't do much for a lot of weather.
all that I know. There's nothing here to run from. 'Cause yeah, everybody here's got somebody to lean on.
Mother Nature painted the sky for us this dawning. She took some crimson reds and melts them into oranges. She hides the moon behind the curtain, sits by the side. Then she'll open them up and prepare the trees, they stretch their arms as they dance, they rehearsed it. The ocean rose like 1,000 lions standing proud. Oh, Mother Nature, you're just showing off now.
Oh, the first one down in the middle. Bye bye. Oh, there's one pot. Sorry, you need to like touch holes in here. Yep. 온다, 완전 안다. 완전 빠져. I got it!
It is hard sometimes when I'm scared to take a step. You're fighting with the waves so free. No, I won't ever let it calm me down. Oh, when I'm lonely and when I come undone. When something's fall apart, there's no good in goodbye. But the darkest night won't always be that dark. Tears are gonna fall, tears are gonna dry. Gotta let it go. That's the only way that I know how. Gotta lose control. Like a waterfall. When I'm lonely, when I'm coming down. Remember what you told me. Love's like a waterfall. I know the only way to get along is going with the flow. 'Cause life's like a waterfall.
I won't fall, I won't sleep. I will fall in too deep. Standing on the edge of something beautiful. Let's go to the other side of the waterfall. Let's go to the other side of the waterfall. 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 It feels like I'm drowning. I can go out there. No one will ever find us if we're staying here. Standing on the edge of something beautiful. Let's stay on the quiet side of the waterfall. I can feel the thunder underneath my skin. I can feel them talking that's blowing in the wind. Standing on the edge of something beautiful. Let's stay on the quiet side of the waterfall. Of the waterfall. Of the waterfall. Of the waterfall. Of the waterfall.
Caught in the morning glow, lost in a coffee cup reflection. Pulled by the undertow, an infinite map with no direction. People say there's a reason why everything fades away. A storybook happy ending to guide us through times of change. And at first I didn't wanna believe it, till I was staring at it face to face. Now looking through your eyes I see it. The world is such a beautiful place. Life is in between.
You look at Mount Everest.
Like flower beds and
to
Alright.
change. And at first I didn't wanna believe it, till I was staring at it face to face. Now looking through your eyes I see it. The world is such a beautiful I was staring at it face to face. I'm looking through your eyes, I see it. The world is such a beautiful
place. Just came back and I had a look and this was dry and then we filled it up and you can see ants are grabbing the baby tadpoles.
You're moving the camera too fast.
Freaking big ants. See, this one right there just has it.
Oh, yeah, you got one.
I'll grab a tadpole. Come on, and just grab one.
Mm.